Hello everyone, I am here to explain to you how the unsubscribe or opt-out feature of our application Lead Manager Ninja works well for your business needs. We already know there are many regulatory compliances that we need to follow while sending or receiving any messages. For this, our application comes with an inbuilt feature of opt-out messaging. Go to the SMS settings tab of our application. You will find a keyword setting. You can add any of the opt-in keywords. By default, start and subscribes are there. Or you can modify opt-out keywords as well. Do not worry, the keywords are case insensitive also. You can add any of the standard or custom objects with the fields that will be used to opt out of the records from the messages. That's all you have done to set up the opt-out successfully. Let's now show you a demo. As you can see, there is a lead SS present in our system. We can type any message to this lead and send the message from any channel of our application. In case the lead sends us the setup keywords of opt-out, such as unsubscribe or block, you will no longer be able to send the message to the customers, either from the one-to-one or from bulk, UI, or automation as well. You can also set this manually into a system. Go to the details of the lead. You have an opt-out checkbox available. Check this checkbox to opt out of the customer from conversation or uncheck it if you want the customer to receive future messages. Refreshing the screen will now allow you to send the messages to the customer again.